In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom colors in Looker Studio reports. If you've been wanting to add a personalized touch to your reports, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can customize your color scheme effectively. To begin, make your way to Looker Studio. Once you're there, focus on selecting the specific chart, scorecard, or table you want to jazz up with a new color. A panel on the right side of the screen should catch your attention. Here, you want to click on the Style tab. This is where the magic happens. Within this panel, scroll carefully to pinpoint the exact color setting you're itching to change. This could be anything from the header font color to the metric color or even the column color of your chosen element. Now go ahead and click on the existing color box. Doing so opens up the color picker, which is essentially your gateway to endless customization. Look for the plus symbol under the custom section and give it a click. Now that you've got the custom color picker open, it's time to put your creativity to the test. You have a couple of options for choosing your color. If you have a specific color code in mind, you can type a hex or RGBA code into the provided field. Alternatively, pick a color visually by playing around with the color grid. As a bonus, you can adjust the transparency of your selected color using the handy slider. Once you've nailed down the perfect shade and level of transparency, hit that Done button to apply your custom creation to the element. One of the great things about this method is that it generally works across most elements within Looker Studio, including those complex charts, neat scorecards, and detailed tables. Speaking of charts, if you're dealing with multiple metrics, don't worry. You have the option to customize the color for each metric individually, allowing for even greater personalization and clarity. But the customization doesn't have to stop there. If you're looking to build on your color expertise, consider creating and saving your custom color palettes. Check out resources like the Google Cloud Guide to help you with that process. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to make your Looker Studio reports pop with custom colors. I hope this helps you add some flair and professionalism to your data visualization projects. Thanks for watching and happy customizing!